Hello, this is multiple choice questions on database management system part first. I am Dr. KK Misra. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R classes. This I have compiled in view of your scheduled examinations to be held very soon. I hope this will be helpful not only UG but even PG students as well. Now come to the question number 1. DBMS is a collection of dash that enables user to create and maintain a database. Options are A. Keys, B. Translators, C. Program, D. Language activity. Correct option is C. Program. Question number 2. In a relational schema, each tuple is divided into fields called options are A. Relations, B. Domains, C. Queries, D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Domains. Question number 3. In an ER model, dash is described in the database by storing its data. Options are A. Entity, B. Attribute, C. Relationship, D. Notation. Correct option is A. Entity. Question number 4. DFD stands for options are A. Data flow document, B. Data file diagram, C. Data flow diagram, D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Data flow diagram. Question number 5. A top to bottom relationship among the items in a database is established by a options are A. Hierarchical schema, B. Network schema, C. Relational schema, D. All of the above. Correct option is A. Hierarchical schema. Question number 6. Dash table store information about database or about the system. Options are A. SQL, B. Nested, C. System, D. None of these. Correct option is C. System. Question number 7. Dash defines the structure of a relation which consists of a fixed set of attribute domain pairs. Options are A. Instance, B. Schema, C. Program, D. Superkey. Correct option is B. Schema. Question number 8. Dash clause is an additional filter that is applied to the result. Options are A. Select, B. Group by, C. Having, D. Order by. Correct option is C. Having. Question number 9. A logical schema. Options are A. Is the entire database, B. Is a standard way of organizing information into accessible parts, C. Describes how data is actually stored on disk, D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Is a standard way of organizing information into accessible parts. Question number 10. Dash is a full form of SQL. Options are A. Standard query language, B. Sequential query language, C. Structured query language, D. Server-side query language. Correct option is C. Structured query language. Question number 11. A relational database developer refers to a record as options are A. Criteria, B. A relation, C. A tuple, D. An attribute. Correct option is C. A tuple. Question number 12. Dash keyboard is used to find the number of values in a column. Options are A. Total, B. Count, C. Add, D. Sum. Correct option is B. Count. Question number 13. An advantage of the database management approach is options are A. A data is dependent on programs, B. Data redundancy increases, C. Data is integrated and can be accessed by multiple programs, D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Data is integrated and can be accessed by multiple programs. Question number 14. The collection of information stored in a database at a particular moment is called as options are A. Schema, B. Instance of the database, C. Data domain, D. Independence. Correct option is B. Instance of database. Question number 15. A dash is used to define overall design of the database. Options are A. Schema, B. Application program, C. Data definition language, D. Code. Correct option is A. Schema. Question number 16. Data independence means options are A. A data is defined separately and not included in programs, B. Programs are not dependent on the physical attributes of data, C. Programs are not dependent on the logical attributes of data, D. Both B and C. Correct option is both B and C. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large the correct options are highlighted in each question. In case of any discrepancy found, that will be corrected through my narration. Now, question number 17. Key to represent relationship between tables is called, options are A, primary key, B, secondary key, C, foreign key, D, none of the above. Correct option is C, foreign key. Question number 18. Grant and revoke are dash statements: A, DDL, B, TCL, C, DCL, D, DML. Correct option is C, DCL. Question number 19. DBMS helps achieve, options are A, data independence, B, centralized control of data, C, neither A nor B, D, both A and B. Correct option is D, both A and B. Question number 20. Dash command can be used to modify a column in table. Options are A, alter, B, update, C, set, D, create. Correct option is A, alter. Question number 21. State true or false. First, the select operator is not a unary operator. Second, the project operator chooses subset of attributes or columns of relation. Here, correct options from among the options available is C, I, false, and first false and second true. Question number 22. Dash database is used as a template for all databases created. Options are A, master, B, model, C, temporary or temp DB, none of these. Correct option is B, model. Question number 23. One aspect that has to be dealt with by the integrity subsystem is to ensure that only valid values can be assigned to each data item. This is referred to as, options are A, data security, B, domain access, C, data control, D, domain integrity. Correct option is D, domain integrity. Question number 24. Dash operator is basically a join followed by a project on the attributes of the first relation. Options are A, join, B, semi join, C, full join, D, inner join. Correct option is B, semi join. Question number 25. Which of the following is not a binary operator in relational algebra? Options are A, join, B, semi join, C, assignment, D, project. Correct option is D. Question number 26. Centralizing the integrity checking directly under the DBMS dash duplication and ensures the consistency and validity of the databases. Options are A, increases, B, skips, C, does not reduce, D, reduces. Correct option is D, reduces. Question number 27. Which of the following is oblique R are the DDL statements? Options are A, create, B, drop, C, alter, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 28. In a snapshot dash, clause tells Oracle how long to wait between refreshes. Options are A, complete, B, force, C, next, D, refresh. Correct option is D, refresh. Question number 29. Dash defines rules regarding the values allowed in columns and is a standard mechanism for enforcing database integrity. Options are A, column, B, constraint, C, index, D, trigger. Correct option is B, constraint. Question number 30. For like predicate, which of the following is true? First, percentage matches 0 or more characters. Second, dash matches exactly one character. In fact, both of them are correct. So, this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and definitely this will benefit you all those who have opted this paper to write in your final examination. If you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.